How to add Costco Citi card to Google Wallet on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can add Costco Citi card to Google Wallet on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up Google Wallet application on your device. So after you open it up, tap on Add to Wallet at the bottom right corner. From here, select Payment Card. Then tap on Add a Payment Card. Now you have to wait for a while. Then you will be able to use your camera to scan your Citi card. If not, if you want to enter your details manually, tap on Enter Details Manually. Now you could add your card information. So you could add your Citi card number, the expiration date, social security number, your cardholder name, city and region, street address, and all the information as required. So once you're done with that, tap and save and continue. And once you are prompted for the verifications, make sure that you follow all the instructions properly. Then once approved, your Citi card is now ready for tap to pay on your Android device through the Google Wallet. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.